So former Reggae Boyz coach Heimir Hallgrimsson is now the coach of the Republic of Ireland's national senior team. His official appointment comes days after him grab up all his marbles and run away from Jamaica. Now, based on how all of this unfolded, I think his style, Hallgrimsson's style, Jamaica, I think the coach disrespected Jamaica. He was contracted and agreed to pilot Jamaica's 2026 World Cup bid. And after 2 games, him gone. Styling's that. And obviously, while he was still coaching Jamaica, he was in negotiations with the Republic of Ireland. So for those 2 first games at the qualifiers, he had 1 foot in and 1 foot out. And when you look at some of the team selections and the substitutions for those 2 games, we have to wonder. And we know people are prone to blame the JFF for everything. Maybe so. But my initial gut feeling is that Coach Heimir Hallgrimsson dissed Jamaica and should be suspended from entering the country again.